Andrew from Russell's Heating, Cooling and Hot Water, and this is the LS Series by Rinnai. Now, Rinnai aren't new to linear aspect fires. In fact, they previously had the really popular Rinnai Symmetry. Nowadays, we have the 950 and the 1250 in the range, but if you want something a tad fancier, this is a range for you. The LS1000 and 1500 come either with crushed glass burn media or with a realistic set of hand-painted log. Meanwhile, the LS800 has this unique self-burning log innovation they call Flame Tech, a combination of ember bed lighting and flames bleeding through logs, creating a unique pattern you have to see to truly appreciate. Rinnai have gone out and explored when designing these fireplaces, and it really shows. Inspired by what was around them in New Zealand, these guys seemingly found the perfect combination where less is more. From anti-reflective glass to their take on what a modern fire should look like and how it should be framed. Take a look at the flame and how the embers seem to glow as if a gentle breeze is blowing over them. The matte black ribbed insert is one of my favourite iterations. Not only is it more forgiving to stains and condensation marks of everyday use, but it catches the flame on different angles, resulting in a beautiful combination of warm orange and shadow lines. So what about the screen, you ask? Well, that's a fine mesh safety screen. Not only does it look smart, but it stops fingers and hands from poking around where they shouldn't. Easy to use remote and Wi-Fi is standard because why not? Now you can monitor and control your fireplace from the comfort of your own home, out and about or at work. Available on both the Google Play and App Store. As you can see, rather than playing chase and making subtle changes to mimic other brands, Rinnai have really stepped up and paved their own path. Now the only thing left is to decide whether to go single or double-sided. Rinnai LS Series fireplaces on display and available now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.